Student, welcome to the virtual classes of Jet Kids. Today we will start our next chapter, that is charts in Excel. Okay, now in our today's class we will see charts in Excel. So now what is chart? We will see now. We can also represent data in pictorial form. See, we are writing data and whatever the things we are doing in Excel, that is only we have seen in different form, that is it is sheet form. Now we can say how to use the charts in Excel. We can also represent data in pictorial form. A pictorial representation of numeric data is called a chart or a graph. Okay, a pictorial means some picture types or graphical types representation of any data when we are showing, it's called a chart or graph. Okay, now see these types of things we can do. See, you have to write whatever the things you want to write in the Excel sheet, and that we can convert like this in chart form. See, this is a chart form, marketing campaign result. This type of chart and any type of chart you can make in Excel. And any first of all you have to make a sheet, and that sheet you can convert in a form of chart also. In our next videos we will see the practicals of these, how to do all these things, how to do the charts, different types of charts in Excel. We can see in our next practicals video. Okay, now see the advantages of charts. Charts are present data and information in a compact manner and attractive. See what charts can do. Whatever the things we are showing in pictorial form are more attractive than a sheet form. So that's why we introduce charts in Excel, so that it is very much important and attractive, and very much learning things are there when you are doing charts in Excel sheet. Excel sheets you are converting in the form of chart, and they add means more impact are there of charts. The form of pattern which are shown in the form of charts, sheets which are shown in the form of charts are more attractive and in a compact manner. It gives us more information and data. We have already seen in our math, pie chart, this chart, that chart, bar chart, all these things we have already learned, and those things how to do in Excel sheet, that we have to see this charts in Excel. Charts are easier to understand, very true that they are very easy to understood. Charts have more lasting effects on the mind than a simple spreadsheet. See, whatever the things we are learning through charts are more long lasting, means we can that things are in our mind for a long time than a simple spreadsheet. Got it? Charts have a more long lasting effect on the mind than a simple spreadsheet. These are the advantages of charts. Now components of charts. So in charts, what are the components, means which are the things are coming in charts are chart area. This area includes all the objects of the chart. This area includes all the objects of the chart, means whatever the areas are there of chart, it includes whatever the objects are present, needed in our chart are present here. Y-axis and x-axis are present vertical and horizontal lines. Plot area, where you have to plot, where you have to make your chart. Title, you can give the title. You can do the legends, means you can identify the colors, patterns, symbols, data series, bars, lines and slices. Different types of things are there. If you want bar, if you want lines, if you want any other things, you can use it there. And legends mean to identify colors, patterns and symbols. Okay, all these things we have already done in our math, so these are not the new things for you. Okay, so these are the components of charts. See, now we have to see the different types of charts. Okay, so which are the different patterns of charts we have to see here. These are the components. Now first type is your column. This is your column chart. See, it will present like this, it will look like this. These are the things. Okay, I hope you understood. This is your column chart. This is column pattern. See, all these things are written in a column. That's why this is your column pattern. Next, this is your bar chart. Okay, that is a form of column, and this is your bar. Pears, bananas, oranges, apples, all these things are present. This is your bar pattern. Okay, this is your bar chart. This is your line chart. Line chart means all these things are present in the form of line. All these things are present in the form of lines. See, 80, it will come to 45. 45, then this blue we are seeing 82, this. Then it comes to this, means 30. Then here 20, and then here 10, and here then up to in between 0 and 10. It is like this. Okay, this is your line chart. We can use like this also. All these things we can do practically. How to perform the practicals of these things we will see in our next practical video. This is your pie chart. You know about the pie chart. What is your favorite fruit? Peach, banana, pineapple, orange, grapes. Percent wise you can do all these things in your pie chart. Okay, I hope you understood. So these 4 types of charts we have to see in our charts in Excel. This is your pie chart, line chart, this is your bar chart, and this is your column chart. All these charts you have to see. All these charts we have to learn in our this chapter. That is which chapter is this? It is your third chapter. First chapter completed. Second chapter is your about Excel only. Third chapter is about again Excel, and then we will complete our fourth chapter, that is about HTML. And this type we will complete our term 1 exam. Whatever the materials you needed in your term 1 will be completed here. In term 2 some things we will skip because we have to means we have to cut some of the syllabus. That's why. So first term we will complete whole and soul, because all these things are dependable on both dependable on one another. That's why we have to complete this like this. So now these components of charts, I think you have to write down these things which are very important, and these are the shortly I have written here in your note, in your textbooks. Long cuts are there, so many things are written. I shortly written here. So these things are very much important components of a chart, and in your exam I will give question answers from anywhere. So that's why note down these things. It will be helpful for you to note down. So now advantages of charts, these are also important. Only the important topics which I am taking, that only you have to note down. Things will come from this only, not from others. So that's why you have to see the video properly, and you have to note down the things properly, because it will help you in your examination. Okay, so all slides I already repeated for you, so I hope you have written everything. Column, bar, line, and this is your pie chart. Okay, so now note down everything. In our next class we will see the next topics, which are the next topics, and if any practical purpose is there, we will see that also. Okay, thank you so much for listening. Write down each and everything properly.